All right, back on. So, if you guys are back, you guys can come on here and do or look at my live. Just wait a minute. So exciting. So exciting. Cannot wait to show all my stuff. I love makeup, okay? Literally, I absolutely love it. Not just the pharmacy products, but also other products that I can try to go with my pharmacy products. Just to see how it reacts with everything. So, I'm really excited to show you all. And I literally I got this stuff for free. Because I just was, like, I saw that they were doing a giveaway. It's like, ooh, let me try. Let me try. Okay. They literally gave me like a whole bunch of like brown paper. Yeah. So also, just so you guys know as well, whoever is yeah, I actually was like the same thing as well, like the same mascara and eyeliner, but I not just turned it into a business because um I really like makeup. I turned towards the makeup thing just because after losing my first son, I just like, oh, makeup, because it just made me, I'm able to express myself with it. Yeah. All right, you guys, I'm gonna just start. So I got a box of BH Cosmetics just because I had followed their instructions on Instagram. They were doing a whole giveaway. I think they were like picking 10 people, and I was one of the 10, I guess. But they gave me their holiday collection, which I'm so excited. It's so pretty. I was actually originally going to buy the stuff whenever I had the money, and I just I was gonna have to wait. But the first thing is there's Snow Buddy Like You. It's their 12-piece brush set, and they gave me, or it had like a little brush holder, which is so cute. And then literally all the brushes that I got for their holiday season. So they have eyes and face stuff, or face brushes. Love it. You can never get too much brushes, I swear. I love brushes. Especially for, like, even in your subscription boxes. I love getting that. The brushes. Alright, so the I got their face and body gel. They're like glitters. I got all three of theirs. They're glitter thingies. I didn't know that it was for the face or the body. That's a little weird. And then it has like the little protector piece that actually slides off. But I'm not going to put my finger in it now. But so there's a silver. There's gold. And there's the red. Okay. My next thing is Let It Glow. It's a 4-color highlighter palette and comes with a little mirror and then literally like 4 highlighters. It's like double packaged, man. Had like, ooh, they're nice and soft. Oh my word. I'm so excited. Oh. Here's the highlights. Huh. Might use these tomorrow. Who knows? That'd be cool. I'm gonna set this aside for sure so I can do that. Because, yeah. Alright, so, alright, and then the last 2 items are 2 eyeshadow palettes. I know, right? You can, this is actually, I forget, I need to write down the prices or something, but this is actually really affordable on their website, and if you can't pay for it now, you can do, or pay all of whatever you want to buy on there. You can go on Afterpay and set up an account, and you can literally get this product or whatever product you want on there. And that's the same thing with like ColourPop and stuff, so yeah. That's why I got so much makeup. I have an obsession, I swear. And it's not so good. My obsession is makeup. Do I wear it every day? Probably not. Do I wear it all day? Yeah. I want to... Come on. Okay, so this is the Nice palette and then the Naughty palette. But I don't know why the Naughty palette's so big. I don't get it. Oh, I know, and they're so affordable too. I actually just got some of their stuff as well, like not too long ago. I love makeup. Love, love, love it. Trying to... Why, BH? Why? There we go. Maybe. Maybe. Like, seriously. I might go to the gym sometime this week, I think. I don't know. Alrighty. We have the stuff. You guys don't know it, but there's literally boxes of subscription boxes behind me. Yeah, I think I have a problem, you guys. Alright, so now the nice little palette right here has a little mirror, but the Naughty palette does not. So I forget, I will write down in the comments of all their, like, the worth or the value of my box that I got from them. Usually a lot of their shadows are very pigmented and so pretty, and I'm really digging. It's called, no, oh no, balsam, I don't know, it's BALSAM. It's this green, And holy cow, this is a matte, and look how pigmented this matte is. Isn't that insane? Insane. I love makeup. I cannot believe it. I'm gonna do the color right next to it. It is a metallic, and holy camoles. Oh, my contact. So pretty. I know, right? It's weird. I don't know. I don't understand why. Alright, so I'm gonna show you candied fruit. Ooh, wow. Look at that. I should do these in the daytime too and show you, because I'm doing this at night. I'm gonna do spicy and mistletoe. So this is spicy and this is mistletoe. Super pretty. This is like perfect for the holidays, I swear. Alright. And I'm not gonna do the entire palette, you guys. I mean, I feel like that just takes too long, so I'll probably like do a quick video of all the stuff. Or what's it called? I forget what it's called. Show you the colors. I do not have words. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you 4 colors right here. And look how pretty that is. I love it. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this stuff out. Cannot wait. Alright, you guys, I know that was a quick unboxing. I'm gonna do a lot of my unboxings on here. So I will have yes. I agree. Jessica, we actually are getting some palettes for pharmacy in the posted on our website on the 1st of December. So check those out because there's some pretty great colors on there. I mean, if you already have a pharmacy person, that's great. But if you don't, just go ahead and check that out. Alright, you guys, I am going to hop off here. I will see you guys tomorrow, and I'm going to do another makeup video, which will be the Anna palette. You guys are going to see the Anna palette tomorrow. This with, oh my goodness gracious, Lilac You a Lot. I'm gonna be using these 2 palettes tomorrow. I'll probably go in with the highlighter palette tomorrow. And then, since tomorrow's the last day to doing these videos with the Frozen, I'll be doing other products, going through other products pretty much every day. So if you guys have questions, let me know. Probably one day, sometime next week, I will do a video on the 3-in-1 palettes, the Peach Bite palette, or just the original one. So let me know if you guys have questions about the products. We have palettes. We're going to be getting more palettes. We have stuff on sale for the rest of tonight. A lot of it is 80% off. So if you guys have questions on those things, let me know on that as well. And you guys will see me tomorrow, hopefully earlier in the day. Bye, guys.